Chords are the foundation upon which many songs are built. They provide the harmonic backdrop, setting the mood and supporting both the melody and lyrics. A chord, in its simplest form, as we learnt earlier, is a group of notes played together. Remember the supplementary download from earlier in this course? They give you a great starting point of chords for the piano and guitar. I left gaps at the bottom so you can add extra chords that you find suit your songs for easy reference until they stick in your mind. Chords can be major, minor, diminished, and so many more variations. Each type has its own unique sound and emotional impact. For instance, major chords often sound happy and uplifting, while minor chords can evoke feelings of sadness or tension. In the supplementary section, I've included a worksheet with a lot more information. This material can be a bit overwhelming at first, so if I just ran through it here, most of it will fly over your head and you would have to keep coming back here to jog your memory. With the worksheet download, you can just read through it in your own time and at your own pace, and then keep it nearby to your music equipment so you can easily reference it, along with all the other materials included with this course for you to download. And don't think you have to understand it all straight away. Comprehension of how it all works together will come with time. Just read it every so often and let your subconscious digest it. Maybe read it before you go to bed instead of binge watching another episode of a TV series. The brain works through problems at night, and the last things you read or think about have priority place in the queue. Chord progressions are sequences of chords that create a harmonic flow. One of the most iconic is the classic 4-chord progression often found in countless pop songs: I, V, VI, and IV. In the key of C major, this translates to C, G, A minor, F. If these are confusing, do not worry, I've included a guide in the downloads that will help you understand this terminology. These progressions form the backbone of a song, guiding its emotional journey. Familiarizing yourself with common progressions like this can give you a solid starting point for all your own compositions, and a place to fall back to if you get stuck in the writing process. They also give you a great groundwork with which to jam with other new musicians. Now, while there are tried and true progressions, don't be afraid to experiment. Some of the most iconic songs break away from the norm, introducing unexpected chord changes that captivate listeners. As you delve deeper into songwriting, you'll discover the progressions that resonate with your style and the stories you want to tell.